Hi, this is Karthik. Welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to share tips and technical recommendations for buying a computer or a laptop. Once again, I repeat the topic tips and technical recommendations for buying a computer or a laptop. If you wish to buy a computer or a laptop, thousands of queries will rock your mind. Let us say what brand and what are the configuration you want to look for. Today, I'm going to answer some of these queries. So, in terms of computer or a laptop, it will be having two parts, namely hardware and software. We are going to see two recommendations, that is hardware and software recommendation. We'll start with hardware recommendations. First thing is RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. It's a primary memory. The speed of a device is decided by the amount of RAM installed. So it should be like minimum 8 GB. And if it is DDR4 or DDR5, it's very good. So DDR stands for double data rate. And next, moving on to processor. It is called as the brain of a computer and will be having various varieties of processor from various manufacturers like Intel, AMD, etc. etc. If it is an Intel, we can go for Core i series, that is i5, i7, or i9. And if it is a Celeron series, we can go for G49 series. And if it is AMD, you can go for Ryzen series. And moving on to hard disk is a secondary storage area where we are going to save all your information and data. So it should be like minimum 500 GB or 1 TB. Next, moving on to graphics card. It should be like minimum 2 GB graphics card, like NVIDIA and AMD. And next, moving on to monitor size. If it is a laptop, it should be minimum 10.6 to 17 inches. And if it is a desktop, it should be 21 inches and above. It's very good. Once again, we'll look on to hardware configuration. RAM, minimum 8 GB. If it is DDR4 or DDR5 is good. Processor, if it is a Core series, i5 or i7 or i9 is recommended. If it is Celeron series, G49 is recommended, and AMD Ryzen series. And in terms of hard disk, we should look for 500 GB or 1 TB. Regarding graphics card, it should be minimum 2 GB. In terms of monitor, if it is a laptop, it should be between 10.6 to 17 inches. If it is a desktop, it should be 21 inches and above. And next is moving on to software configurations. In software configuration, system software, we want to take care of Windows 10. Okay, so your system is having Windows 10, and Windows 10 will be having various versions like Home, Professional, Enterprise, Ultimate. Any of this, it's okay. And next, moving on to application software, ensure that your device is installed with Microsoft Office. And this application software varies. Okay. And next, we want to look for the utility softwares like antivirus is installed. So again, we'll look on the software recommendation. So first, you want to check your device has been installed with Windows 10. Like in Windows 10, we'll be having various versions like Home, Professional, Enterprise, or Ultimate. And next, moving on to application software, you want to ensure that your device is having Microsoft Office. Others like VLC Media Player, WinZip, or WinApp, we can install it later. And look for utility software that is antivirus is installed on your device. These things you want to take care while purchasing a laptop or a desktop. I think you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank